Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for jaundice patients. This guide focuses on creating a soothing and easily digestible meal to support recovery. We will cover selecting the right vegetables, simple preparation techniques, and the best cooking methods. Our goal is to provide a nutritious and comforting soup that is gentle on the liver, aiding in the healing process with every spoonful. For our gentle soup, select about 2 cups of fresh, tender vegetables. Carrots, spinach, and bottle gourd are excellent choices due to their mild flavor and easy digestibility. You can also add a small piece of ginger for flavor, but avoid garlic. A pinch of turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, is beneficial. Remember to use minimal oil, perhaps just 1 teaspoon of olive oil, to keep it light and liver-friendly. Begin by thoroughly washing and finely chopping your chosen vegetables. In a pot, heat about 1 teaspoon of olive oil and lightly sauté the vegetables for approximately 2 minutes. Then, add 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are very soft. For optimal digestion, blend the cooked soup until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. Serve this nourishing vegetable soup warm, not piping hot, in small, manageable portions throughout the day. This approach helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively without overwhelming the digestive system. The soup offers vital hydration and a good source of vitamins and minerals, crucial for recovery. Its gentle, smooth consistency and low-fat content make it an ideal, comforting meal to support liver health and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.